what you love and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, welcome to today's spicy coleslaw. Here we have 10 ounces of mixed coleslaw. You can use all purple, all green, any kind of coleslaw. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of dark sesame oil and the juice of 4 limes. The dark sesame oil, you know it's good if it has a very strong aroma. Now the peel of 4 limes. Now we're going to add some honey to that lime juice. A tablespoon of honey because the honey is a little thick. And with the lime juice, mix it and it goes through each and every one of those pieces of cabbage, giving it a strong and amazing spicy flavor. It is a delicious way to eat coleslaw, and it's gonna be the perfect way to lose weight every time you have a carb. Eat it right before your meal, and that is it. It's gonna help you lose weight. Now we add some pickled ginger, and I'm adding extra larger pieces of the pickled ginger so you can see the beautiful color. You can also mince it if you want to. Now we're gonna add our mix of honey and lime juice into the salad, and we're done. Ready. Everything has been done, and you have this amazing, delicious spicy cabbage salad. It's the perfect coleslaw. That's gonna keep us always healthy, low blood sugar, and delicious with any meal you have. You can eat it before a pizza, you can eat it before a burger, you can eat it before nuggets, before anything that is a high carb meal, and you won't gain weight because your sugar level will be slowed down by this perfectly aromatic and spicy cabbage salad. Enjoy delicious food with Chef Pachi, and stay fit always, Chef Pachi. Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.